All right, what's going on, everyone? Um, this is gonna be trade recap for Wednesday morning. Um, this morning was honestly probably one of the quickest I've been done with. I have been done earlier in the day, but this trade itself was almost instant. So coming into the day, if we go on the higher time frames, we can see that we're rejecting off this 1 hour fair value gap, right? And along with that, we have a 15 minute right here, right? As long like along with those rejections, as we can see, it is bearish sentiment, right? It's creating lower highs and lower lows. So coming to the day, the reason my bias was mainly bearish was because with all that information I just told you, along with that we had equal lows down below, right here. So we had equal lows right here, right? So I knew that I was positive that market wanted to come down and sweep this obvious point of liquidity. Um, and it hit that with the help of this fair value gap. So coming to the morning, I was looking for shorts, and I did miss this one right here. This would have been a good short if you took it, because on the 2 minute and 1 minute and 3 minute, it closed all at the same time. So this would have been a good short. Your stop would have been here. It was high up in the range, so it would have been good. The reason I didn't take this was because I just wasn't looking at the charts at the time. This was not 857. I should have been, but I wasn't. Um, but that's fine. After that, I see it comes up, right? Creates this fake 5 minute fair value gap, this fake bullish momentum before market open. And normally it likes doing this. It likes kind of faking people out, and thinking and just going up before market open when it really wants to go down. So after that move up, I was kind of looking for a play down, and we did get it right here. So in this move right here, the reason I took it all the way down here, right? Because as you can see, there's a 1 minute here, there's a 2 minute, and there's a 3 minute. I was kind of waiting on the 3 minute close. Now, honestly, 2 and 1 minute would have worked here. Well, in the 2 minute, you would have to wait for this one. So, yeah, honestly, for this, you would have had to either use 2 minute or 3 minute, because I just wanted them to close at the same time. Now, this trade wasn't A plus, right? Because there was no really major sweep of liquidity. Uh, the only reason I took this was because I just had such a strong conviction that market was going to go down and take those equal lows because they were just so obvious. Uh, so in this trade, I de-risked, right? I only risked like I probably risked a third of what I normally risk. But the other reason I did that was because my take profit was pretty far away, right? It was 30 points away when my stop loss was only 16. Actually, no, it was less than that. It was right here. It was 14. So I was able to risk a lot less, and the take profit still would have been the same because um, my target was so far down. Now, as you can see, the moment the 3 minute closed, oh, along with that, my break even point was right here. Right here. This was my break even point. But honestly, that didn't really matter in this trade because the moment it closed, I entered here, boom, instant dump to my take profit, right? This trade probably took me like 2 seconds. Like, I swear. I entered and then just instant down. Um, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Had good targets of of my take profit was the equal lows liquidity, and yeah, I made 300 bucks off this trade, very fast trade, and I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. So probably gonna go on a run. But hopefully you guys learned from this trade recap. As you can see, I entered off inverse value gap right here, blah blah, break even point, stop loss, take profit. So hopefully you guys learn from that and are able to take similar trades in the future. All right, peace.